Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, iPhone 15 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to restore factory reset settings on this device using iTunes. So, to do it, you need to have the USB-C cable, not the QCU cable. So if your cable has violet color inside, it probably means that you have QCU cable, but iPhone doesn't support QCU. It supports just normal, simple power delivery cables. So insert this cable to your smartphone, and your computer will detect the iPhone connected. But if it did not detect, it means that you haven't installed iTunes, so you need to download it and install. So iTunes, download, enter in the Google, find in the Apple support site latest version of Windows iTunes, download, install, and then you will get an update this application and open iTunes, log in into iCloud, and then when you will connect, it will ask does you want to trust to this computer? Of course, click trust, and then here you will see between music and library, you will see the smartphone icon. Click on it, and as you can see, it's creating a backup, so I need to wait a while. Wait for about several seconds and click restore an iPhone, and it says that Find My must be turned off before Hard Reset Games, it's name of my iPhone, can be restored. So click OK. So how to disable the Find My? To do it, you need to open settings, then find here your account. So this is the first item, so your name and last name, and here you will see the Find My. Click on it. Your device is not connected to the internet, of course, it's the problem. So I need to connect to the internet. Oops, no, I want to connect to the other network, to this, for example. It's not asking me. Wait a while. I need to connect to the faster one. Okay. Yep, I have connected. And now we need to disable the Find My. So open your Apple ID again, scroll down, find here Find My, and here Find My iPhone, click on it and disable the Find My. You need to confirm your password. Then just click turn off. Cool. Now click restore iPhone. Click restore. Of course, it will need to download the update. So wait a while. It will take a while. So here, as you can see, you have the process of download of the update downloading. Even if you have the latest version of iOS, iTunes needs to download the same version to flash your device. So it's not just factory reset, it's flashing up your device using the latest version from the Apple servers. So wait for several minutes. Okay, as you can see, the software was downloaded successfully, and now iTunes is preparing to restore the software on this iPhone. So just wait a while. Okay, that's it. As you can see, here we have the message that your iPhone was successfully restored. So now we can disconnect our iPhone from the PC. And wait. Okay, that's it. As you can see, my iPhone is restored to the factory settings, the factory defaults, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.